Hey there folks, Chuck here, and I've got a special box. I've been meaning to open this one for almost a month now, and I just have not had the desktop space cleared off to do it, and I don't know, I may not even share this video anyway, depending on what's inside, but we'll see. If you're seeing it, then it was not too personal, but it is from a personal friend of mine, Mr. David Johns, the other 33.333% of the Diecast Breakdown show, besides Mark McCotmeal and myself. And he sent me a very nice package, some kind of treat, he said. So I wanted to document it. And almost didn't get it because it was delivered to the wrong house. But my neighbor found me. And holy cow, look at this. First of all, look at that. If that's not worth sending David a couple of diecasts to get one of those in return, I don't know what is. That is gorgeous. I'm going to have to stick that in the trunk of the Valiant, sir. That is Valiant trunk worthy. Let's see. He says, Chuck, we did make it through 2022 after all. This year was very special, sir. Diecast Breakdown has been so fun and reinvigorating for me. I can't wait to see where it takes us in 23. Your friend, David. That's very nice of him. And I'm excited about where it's going, too. I know we're way behind schedule right now, but I just had a baby. So, unwrap this, don't throw away. Okay. Working on that. Chet is doing very well, although he does have a little bit of a fever right now, so that's not great, but he is resting, and he seems to be in good shape. Oh boy, look at this. Wow. I'm not even sure how to... Ooh. That has got to be the coolest diecast case I've ever seen. Let's do that again. Ooh. And it's got the nice little fake wood accents there. How does it do that? Oh, the base is just... It's flat. I was like, how did the... It's almost like an optical illusion. Look at that. How did I miss out on these? Well, probably because this was the early 2000s when I wasn't collecting. But look at that. Look at it, sir. So, the display case is as cool as the vehicle itself, which is very cool. There's definitely some oddball stuff. So let's see, what else we got in here? Ooh. More weird oddball stuff. A Siku. This is that, oh, where is this from? It's European... What are they called? I'll have to look this one up. There was one on Top Gear, I think. Although this might be a fantasy, but it looks a lot like something. So that's very cool. I don't have very many Sikus. I actually just found one in a thrift store. If you saw the shorts, I found a Siku VW Passat wagon, and it's interesting because it's a two-door. Or it's a two-seater wagon, so it was like an industrial like type thing. So what? Ooh, oh, I do love Tomica Limited Vintage, and I have so few of these. Look at that! Gotta crack that open. Oh, look at it, sir. Whoop! Don't drop it. Oh, that is so nice. GTO Mitsubishi Galant. Yeah, I'm still pretty bad on my JDM, but that is super cool. Super 70s, super malaise. Gotta love it. Lens tail lamps. Lens tail lamps. It's everything a David Johns treasure should be. And it is. I will treasure this. Let's see what else we got in here. This is by far, I think, the best part of the hobby, is the swapping, the generosity, the trading, the people who get to know each other well enough to know what the other guy would like and then find it. Super 9, that's interesting. Oh, what the heck? A Skoda. Going Eastern European on me, David. Very cool. I'm absolutely cracking that open. Where'd that knife go that I just had? It's not a good question to ask with a 4-year-old in the house. It's okay. We're in a closed workspace. I just got my area closed in, which is another thing you might have seen if you've been watching my shorts. I don't know why you're watching my shorts. Get off my shorts, man. That is so cool. Welly. That's interesting. So it's Super 9 scale models, but on the bottom it says Welly. So it must be an old Welly casting or something. That is so cool. Love it so much. I don't think I actually have any Skodas in my collection, so that's a first for me. Oh, sweet. Monaro? Nope. Ford Performance Vehicles. So, Biante. Oh, my first Biante. Australian. Nice. This must be a Ford Falcon, I believe. Ford Performance Vehicles, FPV. Christian's probably screaming at his video screen right now because I am being shamefully underinformed about my down under vehicles. But yes, I know basically everything down there is either a Holden or a Ford. And there used to be some Plymouths down there. There used to be quite a few Valiant Utes and stuff. Actually had the privilege of seeing an actual Australian Valiant and a Valiant Ute in person. They're pretty cool. That is gorgeous. So that is Biante. If you say it like Hannibal Lecter does, and you should. Look at that. Lens tail lamps with a reflection built in, with like the backup light built in. Amber behind the headlamp, so it's not just lensed, it's lensed and colored. Very nice detail around the windows. Almost read Ford off the front thing. That is so cool. So, and I think there's one more thing in here. It says, unwrap this. Don't throw away. For Chet. Okay, we'll see what this is. Oh! It's a little late for that, but it's from Buc-ee's. We do love us some Buc-ee's. Is this one of the ones that's a sticker? I think. Nope, it's not. But that is super cool and perfect time of year for this, where we need a something like this around. It's a little chilly, believe it or not, in Florida. So, all right, well, I just wanted to share that, and again, remind you to check out Twice Diecast. David is a super awesome dude, good friend, and awesome partner on Diecast Breakdown. So be sure to go follow him, say hi, and if you're going to be out in Vegas, you'll see us at Diecast SuperCon coming up real soon. So, until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.